In this video, I'm going to talk about how successful hymen repair surgery is. Now, as you know, hymen repair surgery is another form of surgery, another type of surgery. Now, for all surgical procedures, there is a degree of reliability. Now, say, if you, for example, take appendicitis, right? What happens after the operation? People, of course, get cured. But is it possible that it might not be successful? Is it possible that a hernia operation might not be successful? Is it possible that another type of surgery may not be successful? Yes, there can be instances. Can the same thing happen following hymenoplasty? Can the successfulness of hymenoplasty surgery be less than 100%? Now, if it is less than 100%, certainly, then there is a problem for this child, because this child then will face lots of discrimination and ill treatment and all that. So that's not fair. So there has to be a method of making sure that following hymenoplasty, the bleeding takes place 100%. Bleeding certainly takes place. There has to be a methodology to ensure that bleeding takes place, because people are waiting, the relatives are waiting to see, right, if there is bleeding and if the girl is pure. So, what needs to be done, therefore? There are ways. There is a methodology to ensure that the bleeding will take place no matter what. Now, after hymenoplasty surgery, then we will call the patient, the daughter, to come back for a review. If there is some problem, for instance, let's say a suture has come out, we'll rectify it. There is no charge for that. So we review the client and make sure that it is repaired properly so that the bleeding takes place. Now, finally, before getting married, we'll review it again to make sure that when the sexual intercourse takes place, there will be bleeding. Now, by monitoring, by reviewing, by monitoring how the healing takes place, it is possible to make sure that this daughter will have bleeding definitely following this surgical process.